Hi guys, welcome to Epic Videos. Today I am going to show you how to create a 3D logo using Photoshop. First open Photoshop and create a new page. Then select Shapes tool and right-click on it. Then select Custom Shapes tool on it. After that, go to Shapes and select any shape you want. I select this. Then you can draw it on your page. If you want, you can add a text by pressing on Text tool. Now add many shapes like this. Now we are going to change the color of logo. First I select circle shape and right-click on it. Then go to Blending Options and select Color Overlay. You can choose any color here. Then you can add an emboss or shadow effect to this. After creating this logo, you can save it like this. Okay, this is my today video and thanks for watching. Stay on my channel Epic Videos. Watch my old videos.